Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make announcement bar move in Shopify. For example, you can see my announcement bar right here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to make it move. The first thing you will need to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on your admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on Online Store. Once you have tapped on Online Store, you will automatically be redirected to the theme page. And all you'll need to do is scroll down and right beside the theme that you are using, you are going to tap on Customize. Once you have tapped on Customize, you will be redirected to this page. And what I want you to do next, you are going to see the announcement bar section. You are going to tap on it. Once you have tapped on the announcement bar section, you can see it right here. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And you are going to see header, announcement bar. Then you are going to tap on add announcement bar. And we are going to add a second announcement bar. And you can even add a third or fourth announcement bar if you want. So let's say, for example, we want the first one to say welcome to our store. Then we'd want the second one to say test. We can tap on that. Then you could type in the text that you would like to add. And you can also add a page link if you want. So if you would like to link it to a particular page, you can do that by tapping on link. Then from there, you can select what you would like to link it to. After you have done that, all I want you to do now, right where you see announcement bar at the top, you are going to tap on that. After you have done that, you are going to see the option Auto Rotate Announcements. You are going to tap on that. Then right where you see Change Every, at the moment it is set at change every 5 seconds. You can carry it to the left. So let's say I would want it to change every 3 seconds. I'm going to leave it as that. Then I'm going to tap on Save. Once the changes have been saved, excuse me, if I were to go back to my store example and refresh the page, you will see that we now have a moving announcement bar that automatically changes. As you can see right there, at the moment it is saying test, then 3 seconds later it will automatically change to welcome to store, as you can see there. And that's it. You can also edit the color and background of the announcement bar by again going into the editor option. Once in the editor option, from here you can tap right where you see scheme 1, then you'll tap on edit. From there you can choose if you like to change the background color by tapping on the circle. Then from there, let's say we like to change it to green. I could simply tap on green right here. And you can see that the background color has changed. And if you would like to change the text color, you can also change the text color by tapping right where you see text. You could change the color right there. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thanks again for watching.